In Perl, file handles are what we choose to call specific files within our scripts. We have specific rules in naming file handles called naming conventions, and the first of these is to use only letters, digits, and underscores. Never begin a file handle with a numeric digit. And don't use prefixes. And remember Larry's recommendation to always use capital letters. That way, your file handle will stand out in your code. Perl gives us a few standard file handles that we don't have to define, and the first of these is standard in. This is the connection between a Perl process and wherever it gets its input. This is often called the standard input stream. Normally, it's your computer keyboard, but it can be overridden with piping. Next, we have standard out, which is the connection between your Perl process and wherever you're sending your output. Normally, that's the computer display screen, which is the standard output screen. But you can also override this with operating system piping. Finally, we have standard error. This is the connection between your Perl process and wherever it will send errors and warning messages. This is known as the standard error stream. It is normally your computer display screen, and it can also be overridden with piping. The last standard file handle is data, and I discourage its use. Its purpose is to store read-only data in the same file as your Perl script. We refer to this practice as hard coding data. Perl also gives us two very rarely used file handles, argv and argv-out. These are your incoming and outgoing argument lists. In summary, I would like to suggest that you always make your file handle names meaningful. Keep coding!